Alright guys, here we go. I found the parrot some food. It's always good. Anyone know what these are? I read up about parrots and rosellas and all the colourful birds in Australia, and a lot of them are intermixed, so some of them aren't purebreds. But this could be the king parrot. And the colourful ones are male, and the orange one will be the female. Interesting. Yeah, we've been having some great bird life around here lately. Non-stop spring craziness. Be good if it didn't shake so much. That's alright. We zoom off. There you go. That's what it's like in my backyard. What's it like in your backyard, everyone else? If I didn't have these, I probably would have already had my vaccination. I'd be sitting at home doing the same friggin' thing. Got the boots out over there. Yeah, I've been in the wet grass today. They got soaked. Actually, they're not as good boots as I thought. Socks were wet when I took them off, so the mozzies are back, the bastards. Ah, cruel. Alright, I'll leave you with that. That's the king parrots. Having a little feed. And I'm just going to get back to me 50 Dalrymples. Beautiful beer. Lovely double IPA. Beautiful. See you guys. Yeah, what a fucking ripper.